Hello everybody, this is just a quick announcement video to let you know that I'm going to be live streaming tomorrow some live blaster design, such as this thing. Um, Tomorrow there is a 24-hour live stream run by World Foam Alliance, which is these people right here. Tomorrow is December 9th, 2023, which is also Saturday. There is a 24-hour live stream. We are going to be generating money for charity. All proceeds will be going to Toys For Tots. I will be doing two segments during the stream. The first will be from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that will be with a bunch of other people during that same time slot. And we're just going to be talking about keeping the hobby fun and silly, and just having a good time, and just talking about stuff. And then after that, we're going to be talking with Boomstick Mods and a few other people about shell ejecting blasters and why they are both super fun to use and a giant pain in the butt to design around. So that's going to be the 5 to 7 p.m. time slot. And then later in the night from 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is pretty late for me personally, I'm going to be doing another segment, and I'm going to be live streaming some blaster design. It might be this blaster, might not. Haven't quite decided what I'm going to work on during that time slot. But I'm going to be chilling out there with Boomstick Mods and also probably a special guest, which I won't tell you who it is quite yet. But a special guest might be joining us during that as well. And yeah, we're just gonna, blab for about an hour while I work on some blaster designs. No real goals to that conversation, just gonna, have a good time. And you can kind of see the process behind, making blasters, all the thoughts that go into working on this stuff. The live stream is going to be going on for 24 hours. It starts at noon tomorrow. Actually, no, it starts at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It starts at noon PST, which is where the live stream is being based out of. Sorry. Tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live stream starts. It's going to go for a full 24 hours. There's going to be a rotating cast of a bunch of different foam community members. You got Dr. Flux, you got Captain Xavier, you got Piggy in Singapore, you got Silver Fox crew are going to be doing some live streaming there, talking about, I don't know, silver foxiness. Boomstick Mods, you got Rajar, the guy that made the Sobek. I got Brett, and got a bunch of cool people. Dart Sweep. So yeah, everybody's going to be having a nice time talking about a ton of different foam topics for 24 hours, and we will be raising funds for charity, and all of that will be donated to Toys for Tots. So, if you want to see me work on some blaster design or hear me blab about the foam community in general, make sure to tune in from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 9 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, I'll leave a link to the World Foam Alliance YouTube channel in the video description. And yeah, make sure to tune in and we'll all have some fun together. Yeah, that's all that I've got for you today. Yeah, that's all that I've got. I'm bad at video outros. Yeah. Go do the thing. It's gonna be fun. Make sure to come along and we're gonna have a great time. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh.